Okay, now let's take that video that we've created and move it from our Videos 2020 folder into MediaAmp and from MediaAmp into Canvas. Go ahead and open up your Canvas class where you know you want to place your video. And let's log into MediaAmp so we can do these things at the same time. Right now you may be thinking, hey, I don't want to put the video into MediaAmp. I want to put it into YouTube or Wistia, or I don't want to put the video into my class. Maybe I want to email it to them. All great options, but in this video, I'm just going to show you how to put it into MediaAmp and then from MediaAmp into Canvas. All right, go ahead and log into MediaAmp. Now that you've logged into MediaAmp, let's go ahead and upload our video. Go to the top right where there's a little cloud with an arrow and double click on that. Make sure you say I accept. Feel free to read through this when you get a chance. And then go down here again to the cloud with an arrow, click on that, and then find your video. For our video, I know it's the Fall 2020 intro video that we created, so I'm going to click on that one. And then the video will start to process inside of MediaAmp. And because I've already actually uploaded this video, for a little bit of movie magic, I have it right here, and I'm going to double click on that. And when you get inside the video, yes, you want to make sure to click around on these different buttons and fill in the metadata and so forth. But right now I just want to show you how to get the video out of MediaAmp and into Canvas. So toggle over to the share button, go down to where it says embed code and click on copy. And the iframe player has actually taken that embed code and copied it. Move to your Canvas class that you already have open. Let's toggle to the page where you want to put your video. So it's a welcome video, so I want to put that video on the welcome page. Hit the edit button. Move your cursor to where you know you want the video to be placed. So I want it right here after this first paragraph. And then click on this Insert Edit Media button right here. Go to the middle section that says Embed. And then paste your embed code. Click OK. And then voila, there's your video. Make sure to hit save in Canvas, and then we're done. You might be thinking right now, oh no, why does my video have these black bars on it? Well, if you remember back to us toggling the black and white ribbon to hide certain things from our students' viewing of the video, it created an odd size of the video, and to compensate, Screencast-o-matic and any other editing tool would put these ribbons on either side. In some of the other material that I'm going to share with you, if you want to, I'll show you how to clean that up and how to do some other editing tricks. But right now you have a video, it's inside of Canvas, and it probably looks really great. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help. Hope this worked out for you.